Yeah,
Oh, it's a tight
your
ass.
tongue.
It is a tight ass. Tight ass chicken. Chicken, not tight ass. Tight ass chicken. I'm not talking perverted.
Bawal pala na lumabas.
Why are you showing me on live with my shirt off? I don't like it.
Sorry. I'm going to. Okay. I'm just showing it to Golly only. What are you gonna do? I thought,
I'm on the live with my shirt off there.
baby, I thought you guys eat already. Hello.